I don't have anything like this. I don't lie to people, usually.
This is my Polish friend Xavier, and I'm visiting him in London for his birthday without him knowing. I was traveling with Victor, and just to clarify, Xavier knew that Victor would come visit, just not that I was coming. We arrived super early in London, and we quickly realized that we had way too much time on our hands, so we decided to set up camp in a cafe to kill some time. At this time, Xavier was with his family in Poland, and he would arrive in London tomorrow. So, the first night of our stay in London, we were staying with Xavier's girlfriend, Sophie, who had helped planning the surprise. Oh yeah, and she also cut my hair. Today was the day that we were going to surprise Xavier. The day before, we'd made a plan on how we were gonna execute the surprise. We were going to buy a cardboard box that I could fit in, and then have him open it. Kind of like a present. One Google later, and we started walking. Truth. Yeah, you should fit in that.
You just have to.
Yeah.
Should have had that Subway this morning. Yeah, see? That's perfect. Now we close it and leave him here. I got 12 points. We have something for you.
Yes.
You do? Yes.
Yes.
Down the hallway. Yeah,
Yes.
genuinely. It's
We
on
got
the
your
hallway.
present.
What? I was gonna
Got
be
your
there.
present.
Oh wow!
You have to-
Holy fuck! What'd you guys get me?
Do you have any guesses?
It's very adorable.
Do you have any?
Very adorable.
Do you like? I wrapped it.
I don't trust this present because...
What?
Happy birthday! That's a good present!
Right?
I was expecting a stripper though.
Yeah, this is way better.
Well, I can do both.
I'm
It's
just,
disappointing.
don't give him ideas. Yeah, get back in the box.
Wait, so you had to stay at Sophie's as well?
Yeah, he's been here the whole time.
Hi!